That's strange. Everyone smiled at me, but they all hid something. I think Maple Street is keeping a very big secret today. Did you see that painting? It looked amazing. Why would someone hide something so beautiful from everyone? I thought Mr. Baker only fixed bicycles. I never knew he could sing like a famous performer.
I don't think these are accidents. Maybe every person on this street has a secret talent that nobody else knows.
If that's true, we shouldn't laugh or guess. Let's find the truth first and help everyone feel proud instead. I've been building this little machine for months. I wanted to surprise everyone, but I wasn't sure it was good enough.
Many people hide their greatest gifts because they are afraid others will laugh instead of listening with kind hearts.
Grandpa Joe. Everyone used to share their talents. What happened after all those happy years?
Long ago, Maple Street held a friendship festival every summer. People shared music, art, stories, and
Then let's bring the Friendship Festival back. We'll help every neighbor share their special talent, even if they have forgotten how wonderful they really are.
Did you hear that? Someone is playing beautiful music. I don't think this workshop is empty at all.
He didn't even let us say hello. Why does he always look so lonely?
That man wasn't always quiet. Many years ago, people often visited his workshop because he made something truly special with his own hands.
Let's discover one secret talent at a time. We won't force anyone. We'll earn their trust with kindness and patience.
I only play when nobody is watching. I'm afraid people won't like my music.
Your music made everyone stop and listen. Real music doesn't have to be perfect. It only has to come from your heart. Look at these pictures. Maple Street used to celebrate every person's talent. We can make those happy days return. My machine can help decorate the whole festival. Maybe it can help everyone feel proud enough to share their talents.
We'll keep this a surprise. Every day, we'll help one neighbor discover the courage to share their hidden talent with the whole street.
that wasn't just an old violin. I think there's an incredible story hiding inside that workshop, and we're going to discover it together.
Mrs. Green, your painting is beautiful. You don't have to hide it from us. We already know you have a wonderful gift.
I haven't shown my paintings to anyone for many years. I thought people would think they were too simple. Simple things often touch people's hearts the most. Your painting makes Maple Street feel warm and full of hope.
And the birds are singing sweetly in the morning sun.
You sing even better today. Your voice sounds like it belongs on a big stage.
When I was younger, I dreamed of becoming a singer. Life became busy, and I slowly stopped singing in front of people.
I was afraid people would laugh if I made mistakes. Now I think music becomes beautiful when people listen with kind hearts.
This machine can decorate the whole Friendship Festival in only a few minutes. I built it because I wanted to help everyone smile.
Listen to this. Maple Street was once famous for its Friendship Festival. People came from many towns just to see their amazing talents.
I remember those wonderful days. Every neighbor shared something special, and nobody felt afraid to stand in front of the community.
We're gonna bring those happy days back. Every hidden talent deserves a chance to shine again.
Every time we come here, the music suddenly stops. Why is he always hiding from everyone?
Mr. Wilson.
Do you know the man who lives here?
Welcome, everyone. This old workshop might look neglected, but it's where the real magic happens. Those days are gone. Nobody cares about old work anymore.
Maybe he believes nobody cares because nobody has shown him kindness for a very long time.
Let's prepare the Friendship Festival first. Then we'll invite Mr. Harrison when he can see the whole neighborhood working together.
This street already feels happier than yesterday. Imagine how beautiful it will be on Festival Day.
I heard you're planning something wonderful. I'll gladly help, because every community becomes stronger when people encourage each other's gifts.
I don't know if he'll come, but everyone deserves an invitation. Sometimes one small act of kindness opens the biggest door.
Maybe. Someone still remembers.
Today is a big day. Let's make every neighbor feel proud to share their special talent with everyone.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just paint what you love. Your smile will help everyone enjoy your beautiful artwork.
I will.
Your voice sounds wonderful. Today, everyone will hear the amazing singer hidden inside the bicycle repair shop.
I used to hide my music because I was afraid. Today, I want my songs to help people smile together.
My machine finally works. I'm happy because it can help make our friendship festival even more beautiful.
This man looks familiar. I think I've seen him somewhere before.
That's Mr. Harrison. He looks much younger, but I'm sure it's him standing beside those beautiful violins.
Yes. Mr. Harrison was once one of the finest violin makers in the whole region. People traveled from far away to visit his workshop.
Those days are over. Nobody wants handmade violins anymore. People have forgotten old craftsmen like me.
We're gonna prove that he's wrong. People never stop caring about something made with love and kindness. Oh no! Please don't rain today! We've worked so hard to prepare everything! Quick! Let's save as many decorations as we can before the rain ruins everything!
This is what strong communities do. We help each other instead of giving up when problems appear.
The stage is broken. How can everyone perform without a place to stand?
They're still trying, even after all this hard work was destroyed.
We didn't work this hard just to stop now. We can rebuild the stage together before tomorrow morning.
When one neighbor needs help, the whole street becomes one big family.
I spent my whole life working with wood. Maybe these old hands can still help build something beautiful.
These violins are incredible. Mr. Harrison has been protecting something truly special all these years.
Look at this. Yesterday we saw a broken stage. Today we see hope because everyone worked together.
I haven't built something for my neighbors in many years. It feels good to work with people again.
Welcome, everyone, to our Friendship Festival. Today, we celebrate kindness, courage, and the wonderful talents hidden inside every heart.
Your flowers look so bright. They make me feel happy. I wish I could paint like you someday.
I stopped singing for many years, but today I remembered how
I used to hide my music. Today I'm sharing it because kindness gave me courage.
I didn't build this machine to become famous. I built it to make people smile together.
These photos remind us that every generation leaves beautiful memories. Today, we're creating new memories for the children who will come after us.
Mr. Harrison. Is that really you?
I have played your violins in concert halls around the world. Your work inspired my entire career. This violin was handmade by Mr. Harrison many years ago. People still admire his instruments because they are full of heart, patience, and love.
You never lost your talent. People simply didn't know your story. Today isn't only about talents. It's about sharing hope. Mr. Harrison, would you please join us on stage?
It's been so many years. What if nobody truly wants to hear from an old man like me?
You taught us that beautiful things should never stay hidden. Now it's your turn to believe the lesson you helped us discover.
You helped all of us find courage. Now we'll help you find yours.
I thought everyone had forgotten this old workshop. But today you reminded me that kindness never forgets. Today, Maple Street received something more valuable than a festival. We found each other again. The world still needs your beautiful work. I hope you'll build many more violins for the next generation. Perhaps. A computing obus. It's finally time to begin again. Today I won't work alone. I want all of you to discover how love and patience can become something beautiful. Every violin begins as a simple piece of wood. Like people, it becomes special because someone believes in its hidden beauty.
I never knew building one violin needed so much care. Now I understand why every instrument carries part of its maker's heart.
I think making violins is harder than playing basketball, but I'm having much more fun than I expected.
I hope this music helps your hands remember every beautiful violin you have ever made.
This violin belongs to Maple Street. It reminds us that every talent grows stronger when people encourage one another.
This instrument carries more than beautiful sound. It carries kindness, friendship, and hope. I never imagined people still cared about my work. Thank you for bringing me back home.
A talent hidden forever helps only one person. A talent shared with kindness can inspire generations.
Today, our community begins a new tradition. This place will always remind people to believe in themselves and in each other. Now every visitor will know this is a place where everyone belongs.
The best stories don't stay inside books. They begin when people share their gifts with others.
Flowers and talents grow the same way. They both need care, patience, and people who never stop believing.
This is only the beginning. There are many more people waiting to discover the wonderful talents hiding inside themselves.
My workshop will never be lonely again. Every child is welcome here to learn and create.
Today wasn't only about finding hidden talents. It was about helping people believe in themselves again.
I heard this street helps people share their talents. I like writing stories, but I've never shown anyone before.
Then you've come to the perfect place. On Maple Street, every talent matters, because every person matters.
I think this is the happiest street in the whole world.
Everyone has something beautiful to share. Sometimes all they need is one person who believes in them. Be that person, and you can change someone's life.